Everyone, grade 4, how are you today? Our end in mind today will be gravity, page 14. I have sent a video before about gravity. I hope that it was clear enough for you to explain about gravity. Now I'm going to explain more about gravity. As you see, whiteboard in front of me, it's clear. I need you, after we're done explaining, I need you to copy on CB and study this by heart. Okay, number 1, define gravity. What is gravity? Gravity is a non-contact force that acts over a distance and pulls all objects toward each other. What does it mean, a non-contact? Non-contact, it means there is no contact between the two objects. Like, if I am going to, I have a pen here. I'm going to throw it in the air. Okay, I'm going to throw this pen or the marker in the air. It will fall down to the ground. But when I am throwing it in the air, there is no direct contact between the pen and the ground. Look, the ground is away, but I'm going to throw it in the air. What happens, or what will happen to the pen? It will drop to the floor. Why? Because gravity pulls it down to the floor. Okay? But before I drop it, there was no contact force acting over it. There should be a distance between the pen here and the floor down. Look, there's a distance. They are not touching each other. But eventually, the ground will pull the pen towards it. Number 2, what does the pull of gravity between two objects depend on? So, the gravity of the ground is pulling the pen towards it. The pull of gravity depends on two factors. The amount of material in the objects. If I have a pen, the weight or the mass of the pen is not too heavy, and the distance between the objects. What does it mean? If I have a rock or a stone, and I am, let's say, at the top of a building, and I'm going to drop the stone from above the building, because the distance between the top of the building and the ground, it's far, it will take more time for the stone to drop down. But if I am, let's say, on the ground and touching a stone, the stone will touch the ground faster than if I am at the top of the building because of the distance. I want you now to read number 3. Objects with more weight or mass have more gravitational pull. More gravitational pull. Gravity is stronger when objects are closer together. Now, if the objects have more weight, they have more gravitational pull. The gravity has to work more on them to pull them down. Means they need more force. Okay? Together we're going to read page 14 now.